Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually change your Snapchat streak emoji. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to change your Snapchat streak emoji. So by default, the Snapchat or the Snapstreak emoji basically has a fire icon or a fire emoji. If you want to change that to a custom one, you could typically go ahead and do that. So make sure to stick with me till the end because I'm going to show you how you can do it very easily. You want to start by simply making sure you have updated the Snapchat app to the latest version. You can head over to your app store, in the search box type in Snapchat, and if there is an update button there, go ahead and simply update the Snapchat app to the latest version. Once you've updated Snapchat, I'm going to open it, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you are logged in, you can see this is how the interface is going to look like. What we are going to do is from the very top left hand side of the screen, you can see your Bitmoji avatar. So go ahead and tap on your Bitmoji avatar. As you tap on your Bitmoji avatar, on the top right hand side, again you'll be able to see this gear icon, which is the settings icon. All you have to do is tap on the settings icon right over here. As soon as you do that, you'll be able to see a bunch of different options over here, but we want to look for the option called customize emojis. So right under privacy control, you can see this option which says customize emojis under the pixie option and above the ads button. So in order to customize our Snapstreak emoji as well, we're going to go ahead and tap on customize emojis button. And it says friend emojis are a fun way to learn a little more about your friends on Snapchat. In order to change our Snapstreak emoji, at the bottom of the screen you can see this option which says Snapstreak, which appears next to the number of days that you and a friend have Snapchat each other. And if you and your friend don't both send a snap within 24 hours, you will lose your Snapstreak. So all you have to do is simply tap on the Snapstreak button, and by default you can see this fire icon which is currently set as our Snapstreak emoji. If you want to change it to some other icons, you could go ahead and typically do that. Whenever it is selected, it is going to be highlighted in this blue box which you see. So this Snapstreak emoji is only unique for you and not for the other person, so it is only going to remain unique to you. In the other person's profile, it is simply going to show the same. You have to be aware of that and select any of the emojis which you want. In order to save it, you could simply come back and your Snapstreak emojis will be saved. If you want to reset it to default, you could tap on it again and then simply select the fire emoji which was set earlier. And this is how you could very easily change your Snapstreak emoji. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.